This is the best battery money can buy. It's got a 3-year warranty. It's made at Walmart, called the MAXX. This morning I went to the post office, and when I came back out, I turned my key and the car would not start. 2012 Chevy Cruze. I got a jump start and I made it home. The warranty was 3 years. And this month would have been the third month. The last month I could turn it in. I went to Walmart and got a new battery. They traded it out. This is a $119 battery. It comes to $143 total. And I didn't have to pay a penny. It's going in my 2012 Eco Chevy Cruze. They're real good about taking batteries back. I'm glad this one let go at the very end. I never thought it would. The car always started. I drove the car 28,800 miles with the battery in it and never had a problem starting at all, ever. If you want a good battery with a good warranty, this is it. It's the MAXX battery from Walmart.